Barcelona, Spain. Gothic Corner. The Gothic Quarter, Barri Gothic, is one of the most fascinating and historic neighborhoods in Barcelona, Spain. Here's an overview of what you can expect when exploring the Gothic Quarter. Medieval streets. Wander through narrow, winding streets that date back to the Roman era. The Gothic Quarter is characterized by its labyrinthine layout, with medieval buildings, hidden squares, and charming alleyways waiting to be discovered. Cathedral of Barcelona, Catedral de Barcelona. Visit the impressive Barcelona Cathedral, a stunning example of Catalan Gothic architecture. Marvel at its soaring spires, intricate facade, and beautiful cloister, which houses a tranquil courtyard and a colony of geese. Plaça Sant Jaume. Explore the historic Plaça Sant Jaume, home to the Palau de la Generalitat, seat of the Catalan government, and the City Hall. Ajuntament de Barcelona. This square has been the center of Barcelona for centuries and is surrounded by grand buildings and monuments. Roman remains. Discover remnants of Barcelona's Roman past, including sections of the ancient Roman walls and the Temple of Augustus, Temple de August, a well-preserved Roman temple dating back to the 1st century BC. Plaça Reial. Relax in Plaça Reial, a picturesque square lined with palm trees, elegant arcades, and lively outdoor cafes. Admire the ornate street lamps by Antoni Gaudí and take in the vibrant atmosphere of this bustling public space. Gothic architecture. Admire the Gothic architecture of buildings such as the Basilica of Santa Maria del Mar, the Church of Santa Maria del Pi, and the Palau Real. Major. These historic landmarks showcase intricate stone carvings, stained glass windows, and elaborate facades. Museums and galleries. Explore museums and galleries dedicated to art, history, and culture. Highlights include the Picasso Museum, the Museum of Barcelona, MUBA, and the Frederic Marès Museum, which houses a diverse collection of sculptures, decorative arts, and artifacts. Shopping and dining. Stroll along Cara del Bisbee and Cara de Ferran, two of the Gothic quarters. Main shopping streets, lined with boutiques, souvenir shops, and artisanal stores. Stop for a meal or tapas at one of the neighborhoods. Traditional restaurants, cafes, or tapas bar. Plaça del Rei. Visit Plaça del Rei, a charming square surrounded by medieval buildings, including the Palau del Lieutenant's Palace, and the Chapel of St. Agatha. This historic square offers a peaceful retreat from the bustling streets of the Gothic Quarter. Cultural events. Experience cultural events and activities held in the Gothic Quarter throughout the year, including music concerts, art exhibitions, street performances, and festivals celebrating Catalan culture and traditions. Exploring the Gothic Quarter is like stepping back in time to medieval Barcelona, where every corner reveals a piece of the city's rich history and architectural heritage. Whether you're interested in history, architecture, art, or simply soaking up the atmosphere of this historic neighborhood, the Gothic Quarter offers a wealth of experiences to enjoy. Find more vlogs at https://www.supats.com. With a sustainable digital income, digital business in a day. With MRR courses, scale effortlessly with nuBeginning Success. Tribe's comprehensive resources.